So can we use Mendeley with Excel also? Suppose I
With
want to
uh,
Excel, yeah, I want to make it as an Excel file.
why do you want to make it as an Excel file?
Actually, these documents which I read, I want to put some, I mean, that I have read it. I would like to use it for this purpose. Like that, I want to make a tabular requirement I want to fulfill. But I am
Okay.
not able to do it directly. I have to copy paste the author name, journal, everything, and then I put it. I mean,
Oh, you're
all these
talking
things.
about one by one, is it?
Yes, so one by one. When I read, I
No.
first of all, after some time, I also forget which one I have read, which one I have not read. So that also
I
creates
know
a
what you're
problem.
saying. Yeah, I know
Yeah.
what you're saying. You can always keep adding on multiple columns in Excel as well. For example, you want to understand which are the dependent, independent variables in a particular research paper. You can keep adding on multiple things. Yeah. Okay. So for that, it is not a simple one by which you can simply, export it into an Excel. That kind of option is not available because the purpose of this is to do with citation. Okay, for example, you have file, you can do some sort of import export. Import is a BibTeX, EndNote, or an RIS form. But having said that, there are other options that you could explore. Good that you asked me. I do use this kind of feature as well. I will give a quick demonstration on how it could be used. For example, I choose an APA style. With the APA, it has got a specific method of using it. Okay, so say I have how many 9 documents. I do a selection, right click, I say copy as formatted citation. Okay, if I go and paste it, okay, it's a simple one with comma separated values. Are you with me?
Yeah, yeah, so yeah.
Yeah. So in Excel, I can create my own code. I can you make use of this in order to update my Excel file. Okay,
You
I
mean
have
I should
done.
export it as a delimiter feature? And
No, it's not as simple as a delimiter. Okay, why? Because if you look here, I will go back to this and show you. Okay, if you look here, in the how does a delimiter work? Either with a comma, with a tab, or something. If you see here in the name, it could be multiple commas. Okay, so this will not work properly. So what you need to do is, for a particular style, there are different forms. What it actually, if you're an expert in Excel, you can always customize this. I will give you a quick demo since you have asked this question. Normally, I don't do this in any of the workshops. I will quickly show you what I have done into this.
sir, I have been attending almost all your workshops, by the
Oh,
way.
is it okay?
Yes, yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
am also
okay.
very extensively using Mendeley, but this question came with time.
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. So the way that I have customized it, as you rightly asked for, this is something that we tend to use it. Okay, um, I have, yeah, this is what I have. Okay, so I have created my own. Okay, formulas and all into this by which I can make use of it. So what I need to do is simply copy and paste here. It will pick up all the values and then make use of it. But it should be, only thing is, in an APA format. So I will use any one of them rather than multiple ones for just for your demo purposes. I'll say the first one. I will copy as a formatted citation. I just need to go and where is this? Yeah, here. I'll just paste it here. See this? As soon as I do it, I have customized everything. Okay, based upon the exact way that the APA formatting is. I've got all this information that I can now extract. Um, okay, these are the typical fields what I need, and this I can put it in my Excel file. Okay, if you want, I can quickly show you this as well. What I have is these. Okay, I should do paste as a text. Okay, now what these fields are these. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So it has got the title. Okay, see the complete title, author or authors. Okay, so I can customize it the way that I need with no mistakes into this.
So this is a direct pasting from Mendeley.
नहीं ये मैंने Excel में customize किया. I've customized it. I've created my, see, mine is a very exhaustive one. So for each one of them, only thing what I have done is I've pasted this particular one in an APA format. And then I have my own formulas. You see here, all this.
All right.
These are Excel formulas, the way that I have created this. And then I extract specific information based upon what I need. Okay, then I can have my own listing. Like I have one as the research papers, wherein I do a lot of comprehensive one. Like, I just need, like you said, whether read or not read, I can make use of this. I also have something which I've customized, saying whether I have taken a printout of this particular research paper or not. And I have got something more categorization of which category of ABDC journal it is. I do a lot of things as part of it. So for all this, again, you need those entries, which none of the softwares offers for. Okay, another one, you just do a copy, any one or multiple ones you can select, do a copy as formatted citation, and then go here and paste it here. That's all. Once it has to be done, all information is here. Okay, but if you want this blank format or a template, I can always provide it to you. I created this for my own purpose.
All right. Sir, if you can share, I would request you to share. I mean, how will you share? I'll send you a mail or something. I know.
Yeah. Just send me an email. I'll give you my email ID.
Sir, if you share this file in WhatsApp group, then it will be helpful for all.
One thing. Okay, am I audible now? I don't know what happened. Host has muted everyone.
No, sir, you are audible.
I'm audible, okay.
Yeah.
What about my screen? Can you see my screen as well?
No, sir, your screen is not visible.
Yeah. You had stopped sharing your screen, sir.
Okay, now is it visible?
Yeah, it's black.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I was showing is in this citation style, it should be APA. Okay, if for example I choose a wrong one, say I choose this one, say, okay, now if I do, I'll choose another record, I do copy as formatted citation. Now if you look into this, it is totally different, okay, with these double quotes, with wall number and all. Now if I use this here in my Excel file, it might not work. Okay, see, you see this, it has got 195 dot something and all. So you see here again, volume number, it shows something SP. Okay, but if I use exactly the same one, Mendoza, this particular one, but with, so only word of caution is it must be in an APA form whenever you are doing as copy. Now if I put it here, it will exactly work. Are you with me? Okay, see the correct entries into this, because my formula caters to the APA formatting. Okay, that's the only word of caution when you're using it.
Wonderful,
okay?
sir. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, it's a very simple one with all formulas. I'll send you a blank template. Just drop me an email. And if anybody else wants it, just drop me an email. Okay. Okay. Any other questions?